Hi everybody, so again we're going to write some different instructions today. Hopefully you'll have made something last week in DT which might help you today. Let's have a quick look then. So instructions are written for someone who needs to know how to do something. And we spoke about this yesterday, didn't we? Saying that it might be to play a game, to make a cake, to build something. So instructions are really important and they need to be clear so the person knows exactly what they're doing. So how to write a set of instructions. Remember, they need to be written in the present tense. We need to use imperative verbs and adverbs to begin each step. We use topic words. We use time conjunctions such as first, next, then, after that, and finally. And we use clear descriptions. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a superhero stick puppet. And you might want to make a superhero stick puppet after this. And then you're going to create your own set of instructions. So you will need a lolly stick, coloured card, pens, pencils, glue and scissors. And it's important, isn't it, to tell the person what they need. So if they want to do it, hopefully they've got the things in the house. But if they haven't then you might need to nip to the shop and maybe get something if they really, really want to do it. So let's have a look then at the instructions. So you might want to go onto YouTube and watch this clip, which does help you on how to make a stick puppet. I am going to tell you anyway. So here we have our superhero stick puppet, and this is what we're going to make. So as I've said, we need a lolly stick, light coloured card, colouring pencils and pens, scissors and white glue. And if you haven't got the light coloured card, use paper and colour it in whichever colour you want. Okay, so the first instruction is first, draw and colour a triangular shaped cape onto card and use your scissors to cut it out. This needs to be slightly shorter than the length of your lolly stick. Wow, quite a big instruction there, isn't there? So it doesn't just say, first, draw and colour a triangle shape in card and cut it out, does it? It gives you a lot more instruction there. So it tells you first what you need to do, which is our time connective. Then you've got to draw and colour a triangular shaped cape on the card, and then use your scissors, and then it says it needs to be slightly shorter than the length of your lolly stick, and that's quite important, isn't it? So that's an important part of the instruction. So it's telling you that you need to measure your triangle shape with your lolly stick, and that's quite important. So the number 2, next, draw a face shape onto card for your stick puppet. Colour the face and hair and use your scissors to cut it out. So you can create the face however you want to. So there's no instruction on how big, how small it needs to be. That's entirely up to you. So let's have a look at some more then. Then, another time connective, draw, colour and cut out a superhero symbol or logo onto card. This will need to be the correct size for the cape. And you can see I've got my imperative verbs there using my bossy verbs, draw, colour and cut, to make sure the person knows what they're doing. So you've got to draw, colour and cut your superhero symbol to then stuck onto card. Next, colour in both sides of your lolly stick and the back of the face, cape and logo. So again, the person knows exactly what they've got to do. Next is our time connective and colour being our imperative verb, so they know what to do. After that, once it is dry, attach the puppet face to the top of the lolly stick. So again, that word there is important, isn't it? Top. Because you don't want to attach the puppet face. Most of you will know that it needs to go near the top. But some people might not do if they've never made a stick puppet before. So it's important that we use key phrases like that, key words, to help the person who's making it know what to do. Finally, stick the cape carefully, adverb, onto the back of your lolly stick and the logo onto the front. It is now ready to fly high. So what you're going to do is have a little think. Did you make a puppet last week from our DT session? If not, have a go. So it was the moving rocket, wasn't it? Okay. Or make something for someone you know. Use the models that we've used over the last couple of days. So we did the jam sandwich yesterday, or you might have made another sandwich. And we did the stick puppet today. So using those ideas of imperative verbs, adverbs that we've used, see if you can make your own set of instructions for either making a puppet, writing a card to somebody, maybe even creating something. You can choose what your instructions need to be, but don't forget to send me your work because I'm looking to give those awards out through Mrs. Prince. So Mrs. Prince even might give you a head teacher's award. So don't forget to send it on tapestry. Take care.